Victor, just a brilliant physician, an amazing intellect, a philanthropist. Amount of talent in one person was not to be believed. What he did is just on a different level, as an inventor, as a surgeon. And I look at myself as a humble pediatrician.
I remember the first time I met Josh Rosenblatt. I was an intern working with an attending who was caring for a family member of Dr. Rosenblatt. And it was the first time in my career where someone who was an attending actually sat down and asked me for my opinion. And I felt so special that he cared about what I thought.
Do you brush your teeth? Do you brush in the morning when you wake up?
Yes.
I met Josh years ago when I came to interview here for an internship as a medical student. And he actually was a huge influence on myself and my career. It was like a light bulb clicked on in my head that this is what I have to do. And that's what he does. He can pick out things like this, and he knows exactly what to say, and he's actually influenced my career and has gotten to me where I am today.
So thankful for you, your leadership. You're the reason I'm here. You've taught me so much personally and professionally, and it is a well-deserved honor. So congratulations and enjoy.
Training under Dr. Rosenblatt was truly an honor. I think working with someone who is so calm, so precise, so effective, and truly has a vision and always has the patient's best interest, truly brings that compassion that you need, to be a great physician, and in this case, a great pediatrician.
Thank you for all you do for our patients
and our community.
We love you.
I've known him 29 years or so. He has always been loyal. He's always been trustworthy, a very honest person, and I know he loves his kids as much as I love these kids in pediatrics.
Josh has been just a phenomenal advocate for kids. As a matter of fact, he's the pediatrician for all of my kids and all of their kids. Really great doctor, caring, kind, thoughtful, and I think Victor Parsonnet would be very proud to have Dr. Rosenblatt represent that award.
Thank you for being a legend.
Each day, for really 40 years, I have woken up in the morning knowing that I'm going to come to work. I'm going to be surrounded by bright, committed people, and I'm going to do something for children that might not have happened had I not come to work that day.
Thank you, Dr. Rosenblatt, on behalf of the Pediatric Health Center.
Congratulations!
He is very dedicated to his craft, to the families. He loves his work. He follows through. He's well loved by his staff, and he makes a difference.
Thumbs up. So there are so many people that I'd like to thank and acknowledge for this award, for this recognition. First and foremost, really are the families who chose to entrust the care of their children to me and to our institution, because had they not made that choice, I certainly wouldn't be here today. Additionally, I'd like to thank Marc Mannigan, the CEO of our health system, Mr. Darrell Terry, a man who I've worked with for decades, Frank Giantomasi, the chair of the board, who is just an outstanding steward for our institution, and the Parsonnet family, one for agreeing to have an award named in Victor's name, but also to have chosen me for the first ever Victor Parsonnet Award. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to thank my family, my wife Laura, my children Melanie and Jackson, and my dear friends for their support over the many years. Thank you all.